So look 2 with my Peaches 2 BYS palette, and today I'm going to start off with, I'm going to start off with my OXX blending brush, and I'm going to start off with the cream down here. And I've done all my base and I've put on my eye primer, so I'm just going to put this all over. Oops, just moved my mirror and ended up moving the camera because I'm attached to it with my mic. So you can see even the cream on there is pretty pigmented. And then I'm going to go in with if I can find it. There's my little triple XS point brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to go in with the dark brown, and I'm going to draw in the crease. I haven't got a lot of battery left on my camera because I've been filming a bit today, so I feel like I need to hurry this look up so I don't run out of battery. I have got a continuous battery coming that you can just plug into the power so I don't run out of battery, but at the moment I've just got one battery for the camera. So I'm just blending that out with that brush that I used for the cream, and going to go in with I think I'll go in with that slightly warmer brown there, and I'm going to put that on a fluffy brush. This is a OXX12 from Kmart. And I just want to warm up that crease a little bit, and I don't want too much colour in there. Just enough to warm it up a little. I want to go back in with my little pencil-y brush, and I'm just putting some more of that darker brown back in the crease. So doing a cut crease today. And just blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to use my e.l.f. eye primer in sheer to cut the crease with. Although there's not too much of this left. I keep saying that and then I keep trying to dig more out. I keep digging just a little bit more. Just a little bit more and just a little bit more. It's amazing how far it'll go. I'm just going to tidy up that line a little bit with a little bit more of that dark brown. I'm going to go in with a flat brush. This is just my BYS concealer brush, and I'm going to go into that gold colour and then put that all over my lid. And I'm not wetting it because I just want it fairly subtle because I've got a red lip today. That's what it looks like so far. And I'm going to do, or attempt to do, a little tiny wing. So I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner. And I'm just going to do a little kitten wing. I'm going to use my Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer Liner in Black is Black, and I'm going to tightline and go underneath. And then I'm going to put my mascara on. I'm just going to use my L'Oreal X Fiber False Lash. No matter how many times I say it, I still can't remember what it's called. It's a pretty simple eye look today. But it may not be one that would immediately come to mind for this palette because it's actually got no peach in it at all. Like I said at the beginning, when I do a one palette 1 week, my mind immediately goes to what can I do that's not completely obvious, and then I have trouble with the obvious one. So today I am wearing my Australis Slay All Day Lip Stain in Slay Like a Babe. So it looks like this. So it's not a really bright red lip, it is a bit more subtle. And there's my eye look for today, day 2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on day 3.